Okay, so what is going on everybody, Themster here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the macOS scrolling feature. So if you come from Windows and you've connected an external mouse, you might notice that the scrolling is reversed. So basically if you scroll up it goes down, and if you scroll down it goes up basically, so reverse as from Windows. So if you want to make it both on same platforms you can do that, but the unfortunate thing is that you cannot do this from the settings itself. You need to download a third-party app, but it's just the way it is. So go to this website, I will leave the link in the description, and in here you need to download this app called Linear Mouse. So just click on download, it will download a small file, and as you can see, linearmouse.dmg. So double click on that, and as you can see it opens this window, and you just basically click and drag and drop this linear mouse thing into applications to basically install the linear mouse app. Okay, so after you've done that, you need to click a command and space to open the spotlight search, and there's the search for the linear mouse. Okay, then click on this. Okay, and as you can see it opens it at the top right here. So just click on it once more and then just click on linear mouse settings. Okay, so now in here you will go to the scrolling page, and as you can see it already detects your mouse. If you've connected your external mouse, my mouse is this right here. So the setting you need to change in order to fix this is reverse scrolling. So basically click this and it fixes the scrolling, but you might notice that the scrolling is a little bit slow. I think on default it's maybe at like 2 or something. So if you go into a website and like scroll, it's a little bit slow for my liking. So you might want to change the settings. So just up it a little bit. I like to do it at like 7 right here, so the scrolling is almost Windows-like. It's not exactly as on Windows, but pretty much the same. Okay, and another unfortunate thing is that you will have to keep this application running at all times in order to have those settings being present, so that you don't have to do that. But it's no problem. It's a really light program. It doesn't use at all, like no resources at all. So yeah, and in general you can also enable start at login. So if you frequently like turn off and on, like fully shut down your MacBook, you can enable this so that it automatically turns on. But I don't like that, and yeah, but if you don't like it you can just always close it by pressing command and Q, and the program is gone. But if you close it, the scrolling feature is gone as well. So if you want to once again open it, just do the same and just open it as up, and as you can see it's open right now. So the scrolling is as we said it before. So yeah, basically that's how you set it, and if you want to see more content just like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.